You've got a budget. You've tracked every penny. You even gave up your morning coffee. So why are you still broke? Here's the hard truth. Budgeting alone isn't the answer. It's the starting line, not the finish line. My name is Vladimir Nemchinov. I went from zero to $600,000 in 11 years, primarily through real estate. But now I'm building my net worth by investing into my retirement, and I want to share with you the financial advice I wish someone gave me years ago. Most people think if they just write down their expenses and spend less, they'll get ahead. Wrong. The pain isn't just financial, it's emotional. You try so hard, you say no to the fun stuff, and then one flat tire or one sick kid knocks your whole month off track. And that makes you feel like a failure. Let me tell you, you're not. The system you were given is broken. The good news, there's a better one. We call it the 10 levels of the wealth game. And level 1 is budgeting, but done right. Not just tracking expenses, not just writing things down, budgeting with purpose, budgeting to win. Here's what it actually looks like. Step 1, start by listing all of your income for the month, every source. Step 2, list out your must-pay bills first. Rent, utilities, gas, groceries, the non-negotiables. This is your survival line. Step 3, now list your debt payments. If you're on level 4, we'll get aggressive here. But for now, just know what you owe. Step 4, whatever's left goes to your goals. Starter emergency fund? Saving for a house? Payoff plan? Cool. Now your budget has direction. Now here's where most people screw it up. They budget like robots and forget they're human. So what happens? They blow the plan and feel like trash. Here's my fix. Add a line item for fun money. Yes, fun. $50 a month to go out or buy something dumb. It keeps you sane. It keeps you in the game. Let me bust one more myth. People say budgeting is restrictive, but in reality, budgeting gives you freedom. It tells your money what to do, instead of wondering where it went. If you want to win the wealth game, you don't need a degree. You don't need 6 figures. You need a system, and it starts at level 1. So here's what I want you to do. Fill out the free Invest Steady Client Assessment form. The link is https://bit.ly/44ndy0. It takes less than 60 seconds. We'll find your level and I'll help you build a plan to move up. Let's fix your budget. Let's stop spinning your wheels. Let's finally get you ahead. Invest steady. Compound your net worth.